Scheduling in depth with Out Here software, Part 1. To help you quickly find a customer, Out Here software has several different quick lookup capabilities. You can find a lookup by name, address, phone 1, or phone 2. Fill in one of the 4 circles to select your desired search method. Next, start typing your keyword search in the lookup data field. You will then see the search results displayed in the customer grid. As you can see, the more you type, the more it narrows the search results. Very important note regarding Phone 1 and Phone 2 due to limits set by QuickBooks. Lookup fields are based upon QuickBooks phone setting of main phone equals Out Here software phone 1 and QuickBooks phone settings of alt. Phone equals Out Here software phone 2. Main phone and alt phone must be used in QuickBooks. Also remember, if you need to set up a new customer, as always, enter his information on QuickBooks first, then press the Refresh Customers button to display his information in the Out Here software customer grid. Schedule job. If you haven't watched the How Easy to Use video, please do so now. Okay, now that you have a basic understanding of how to set up and schedule a job, we'll go more in depth here. When creating a sales order, as shown in the video above, one additional feature you have is the ability to write your field text a lengthy note of up to 250 characters in the Office Note box. Here is how it will look in your tech app. As you can see, your Office Notes can't be edited by your field tech. Please note that your field techs also have the ability to write their own 250 character note to the Office that can be edited by the Office. Another additional feature you have when scheduling a job is the ability to pick a date and time in the future without leaving today's schedule board. The interactive controller will be dropped based on prelim schedule date and time in the unassigned column on the future prelim schedule date and the time you choose. If we change our schedule board date to the prelim schedule date, this is what we'll see. The job interactive controller on the schedule date and time we selected. Now let's look at the menu system. When you right-click over a job, interactive controller, on the schedule board, you will see this drop-down menu. If you want to cut a job, select Cut. You can then paste the job in another place to schedule for a different tech at a different time by right-clicking the relevant place on the board and selecting Paste. You can do a similar function with the Copy selection in the drop-down menu. This copy and paste functionality is used to create another scheduled appointment without creating a new sales order. This is ideal for scheduling return trips to the same job or turning a one-man job into a 2 or more man job. Now we are going to chronologically discuss the Action Taken feature. First thing we need to understand is how this color on the interactive job controller got there and what the colors mean. Red in this case. The colors in this middle interactive job controller box are chosen by the action code the field tech selects. It is a mandatory field in the tech app that is meant to give office staff persons the job status. The 3 job statuses the techs may choose are 1. A-OK, green, no action needed. 2. Order parts reschedule, red, action needed by office staff person, and 3. Follow-up needed, blue, action needed by office staff person. Notice in this example, the middle box is a thick red line. This means no office action has been taken yet. Once the office person has performed their duty of following up with the customer or ordering parts, they will go to the schedule board and right-click the Job Interactive Controller and select Action Taken. Note that the color will remain the same, but the line thickness will be reduced. Office persons will easily see what jobs need some sort of action to be taken. If you select the Edit Job header from the drop-down menu, you will see the Service Header form with all the sales order details. You can edit things like payment information in here. Click Save and your changes will be updated. Click Exit to close the form. After editing job sales order details, remember to click the Cloud Update button to send these updated details to the technician. If you select the Edit Job Schedule button on the drop-down menu, you will now see the Service Schedule form, which allows you to both add and edit a job schedule record. This form is also used to edit time card, office note, and tech note data. Once you see the schedule record you want to edit, make sure you highlight it in the grid below. Click Edit. This will now allow you to make your changes. You can only edit the highlighted row, so remember to choose the row you want to edit first. By pressing the green or red buttons, you may adjust scheduled starting and ending times. Change the job time increment by clicking the button with the increment number in it. You can even change the technician you want working on the job by selecting them in the Employee dropdown. Click Save and Exit. The final item to discuss on the Out Here software menu system is the Delete in QB option. This is a very important topic. This option will delete all Out Here Schedule interactive job controller for the chosen sales order number and at the same time delete the sales order in QuickBooks. You must not use the Delete Sales Order function inside of QuickBooks. Alternately, you can drag and drop to change the time and/or technician. Please watch part 2 of this tutorial to continue learning about scheduling in depth with Out Here software. Thank you for watching this video tutorial for Out Here software. To learn more, please visit www.outheresoftware.com.